In this video, I'll show you how to rotate or flip in CapCut. You can be able to flip your photo or your video while editing in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if I open up my CapCut, you can see what I'm telling you. This is what I want to show you in this video. This video is currently flipped upside down, but I'll show you I can be able to flip it to any type of, like, any size you want, whether vertical or horizontal. So select the video you want to use for this. So this is currently the video I'm using. So just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to just scroll small until you find the transform bar. So this is the transform option, transform tab. So tap on it. So you're going to be able to see mirror, rotate, or advanced. So click on the rotate. You can be able to come on here and rotate this video. So you can see it. I'm currently doing it. So you can do it from your own end. Let me know if you did it successfully from this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.